now, Doc Rick here with exciting Start With Your Feet news. We are on the move in 2018. I am proud to announce my recent affiliation with Full Life USA, makers of my favorite natural anti-inflammatory, Rheuma Art Extra Strength. I have been able to use this product on musculoskeletal pain in my patients to be able to treat things quickly and safely in a holistic manner. I have been using this product for the last 8 years and I get amazing results. I look forward to their support while I speak at seminars and corporate wellness presentations. Until next time, keep on walking and running strong.